All right, in this video, we're going to show how we can go in and take our paper plans. So we're out on site and we need to set all the anchor bolts out on a pad. We don't have the PDF, we don't have the CAD file, we just have a set of drawings. So basically, what we would do is we would go into our Stakeout app and we'd go ahead and create us a starting point. So to do that, we'll just do Toolbox, New Point. And we just give it a false northing and easting. So we'll just say it's at starts at 500, easting 500, and check. So now we can go into our sketching application, and I'm going to go to that point. It's asking us to select a start point, and now we're going to say, all right, how big is this building? We'll just say it's 1,000 by 1,000. You can see it's showing where the point's going to land. So I'll just hit my check, and then we'll do another 1,000 this way using the point pilot again, then back home. So we got our 1,000-foot building pad, and so we have a column every say 50 feet. So I'm gonna go in here and say, all right, I want to go 50 foot. Now the column, of course, won't be on the line. I'm just using this to get it where I can go vertical with it after the fact. So I'm gonna say I want to go 50 foot times 20. So that's going to give us one every 50 foot on a 1,000-foot run. I'm going to hit my check. All right, so now I can move my point pilot. So I'm going to change my start point. And I'm going to pick this one. And we're going to say, we got a column every 50 foot, about 20. And check. And then we'll do the same thing. I can just go over 50 here, down 20. And of course, I can change the dimensions if there's different spacing between all the columns. So now, once you've got this whole thing filled up, you can stake out the center of your columns. And then if you want to go in and apply your anchor bolt template so you can line up your anchor bolts, you can hit this button here and do patterns. So we want to do a 4-bolt. So we can give it the dimensions. We'll just say this is 10 inch by 10 inch. And we'll click the insertion point, which will be the center point. And then we have to define the orientation. So we just pick a line that's square with the building. So any line will do. And now apply pattern. So now we can just go in and start clicking the columns we want to apply that size pattern to. And hit the check. So now you'll see we've drawn out our building. And if we zoom in on one of these columns, we have our anchor bolt pattern there. So at that point, we could set up our robot or total station, set it up anywhere on site, and we could shoot the two corners to establish where it's at. And after you've established where it's at, you can go to Stakeout, and then any point on here you click. So we want to do that one there. It's just going to walk you to it until you get dead on it. So lay out the whole job from one setup, as long as you're close enough to stay accurate. And once you get on the bullseye, you're good to make your mark once you get within your tolerance. I can only get so close with the simulator, but you get the idea there. And then after you've done that one, you just click on the screen. After you've made your mark, click the next one and go. Hope you've enjoyed this, and please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.